Welcome to our channel. If you want to automatically back up your WordPress site to Dropbox using UpdraftPlus, follow these step-by-step instructions for secure off-site storage of your website data. Step 1. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New to access the plugin directory. Step 2. Search for UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup plugin in the search bar. Click Install Now next to the plugin with over 3 million active installations, then click Activate. Step 3. In your WordPress dashboard sidebar, find and click on Settings, then UpdraftPlus Backups to access the plugin's main configuration page. Step 4. Click on the Settings tab within UpdraftPlus. Here you'll configure when and where your backups are stored. Choose your preferred backup schedule, such as daily or weekly. Step 5. Scroll down to the Choose Your Remote Storage section and click on the Dropbox icon. This tells UpdraftPlus to send your backups to your Dropbox account. Step 6. Click the link that says Authenticate with Dropbox or similar. You'll be redirected to Dropbox to authorize UpdraftPlus to access your Dropbox account. Step 7. Log into Dropbox if prompted and click Allow to grant UpdraftPlus permission to create a folder and store backups. You'll be redirected back to WordPress after authorization. Step 8. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Then click the Backup Now button to test your configuration and create your first Dropbox backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.